Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. If you also using a Ubuntu Linux machine or any Linux machine and you want to set up a Rootkit Hunter on your system, you can easily do it. This lab for you. So what you need to do? First need to log into your Linux machine. So let me log into my Linux machine with user Satish. I am login. Then right click, open the terminal. Okay. So once you open the terminal, you can maximize it. You have to run sudo apt update. Okay. So first of all, you need to update the repository. Once you update the repository, then you can install Rootkit Hunter tool. Remember, these rootkits are remote access tool. Actually, they can give or they can create a backdoor for hackers so that they can log into your system and restart or shut down your computer. These rootkits are not like malware or virus. This will not slow down your system, but this is a threat to your computer. That's why we need to remove them. For remove them, we need a Rootkit Hunter tool, which is freely available for Linux user. That is an open source tool. So what you need to do, you need to run sudo apt install rkhunter. Once you run it, you can see the package. Press Y, and this will help you to install rkhunter tool inside your Linux machine. Now you will see this option like you want for no configuration or for internet site, internet with a smart host, satellite system or local only. I am going to use for local only. So go on local only and click on OK. Go to OK and done. So the installation is going on. Once the installation will be done, I will show you how to scan, how to update or how to check the version. Okay. So first of all, let it install. After installation, I will show you some help command which will help you to understand how to use this tool. So installation is almost done. You can see 96% already done. It's about to complete. Once it will be completed, you will learn how to use it. If you have not liked this video, just go and like the video. Don't forget to like. Okay. Now I am going to show you the manual program, how to use this. So man rkhunter, this will show you the manual for this. So you can see rkhunter dash dash check to check, dash dash update to update, dash dash version check to check the version. So first of all, let me press Q and update this tool. So sudo rkhunter dash dash update. Okay. So after installation, you need to update it. If there is no update, it's showing no update. So let's just type rkhunter dash dash update. Okay. No, you must be root to user this run this program. Okay. So you must be login as a root to update this program. So there it means there is no update required. You can directly use it. How to use it? rkhunter dash dash check. It's asking for root. So sudo rkhunter dash dash check and you type it and it will start scanning. Now this will scan all your system commands, including the rootkit programs which could be available inside your system, and it will inform you if any rootkits programs found. So you can see the scanning has been started, already started. If it's okay, then no problem. If some warning, then you have to be aware of that. So right now you can see everything okay, no problem right now. It's scanning all the commands now. So just keep watching. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in ethical hacking, cyber security, you can join us. So you can see there is a warning here. Okay, LWP request warning. It means you have to be curious here. You have to understand why it's giving you warning, and you have to go to that file using cd command and check the permission of that command. Okay, now press enter again and check for the main rootkit. Now these are the actual rootkits program. Okay, so you can see Trojan 55808 Trojan, ADM worm, okay, Apache worm. These are rootkits. TBD, which is telnet backdoor. So all these are rootkits, different types of rootkits. Okay, shut down rootkit. You can see shut down rootkit. If this rootkit is found inside your system, hackers can remotely shut down your computer anytime. You can see TBD telnet backdoor. So it will create a telnet backdoor so that hackers can remotely log into your system and do whatever they want. Now press enter again to scan more. For additional rootkit check, I just press enter and you can see it's checking for the additional rootkits inside the system. So it will take few seconds. So just wait and have some patience. So it's showing that sucking rootkit additional check, checking for possible rootkit files and directories. So no found, none found means no files and directories are suspicious for rootkits. Okay. So just wait. And when it will ask you to press enter, you have to press enter. So everything done, no problem. Even with the Linux kernel module, everything is okay. You can press enter again. Now it's checking for the network related. So it will scan for the network related or host related rootkits. Everything okay, nothing found. Press. So now it's performing file system check, everything done, and you can see files checked 142, only one suspicious found. Rootkits check 477 and no rootkit found. So possible rootkits is 0 inside this machine. Total time taken to scan the system is approx 3 minutes. And you can see the log file var log rkhunter.log. So if you want to see the var log file, less var log rkhunter.log, you can see the, okay, you have to run with this sudo less var, and you can press enter and you can see the log files. Okay, if you want to quit, press q. Now if you want to check the version, you can just type version. Okay, and you can see the version of this tool, which version we are using. We are using Rootkit Hunter 1.4.6. So this will help you to clear the rootkit from your system, and if any rootkit detected, you can easily delete them using this tool. That's why this tool is known as Rootkit Hunter. Full form of this tool is RK Hunter Rootkit Hunter. Thank you for watching.